Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can kind of change the colors of your stock video. So select like one just basic color. I'm going to choose this like purple one, and then I'm going to select library, and you're just going to select any stock video that you want. I'm just going to choose this one. I'm also going to adjust it to the entire video. Then you're just going to select the overlay, go to blend mode, and choose the one you think works best. For it, I think soft light is good if the background is black, and also color burn works really well. And also linear burn as well. And you can kind of adjust the opacity of it, and as you can see, it turned the fireworks into this cute purple color, and you can do it for most of the stock videos. As you can see, let's try this one. This one's a little bit harder because it has more colors, but it still works. But that is basically it, really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!